found and shot.
Super chill cops.
Yep.
Running like a bunch of losers.
Running like a bunch of losers. Or you park at the end by an exit.
With your name on the back of your window.
And you backed in.
The other night was insane. It was a little cut short because the cop came, but oh geez, bam! New edition. I wanted one of these for so long. We're out here in a field, crisscross applesauce, relaxing. Hopefully I don't kill someone because there's a couple kids out here. Rumor has it. Let me plug it in here. Oh shit. And it starts beeping, you know?
Got a little song for you.
After a couple of minutes, I'd say like 20 minutes, I figured it out.
Do you even know how to land it? Oh.
Excuse me, do I know how to land it?
You okay?
There's hundreds of skeeters. Vominos. Also, I didn't know Mel got it on footage. We just got dummied by a bike, aka Mel did.
I did, you didn't.
What on earth is
but
life?
let's
I'm just
demonstrate here.
no, but look, I'm peacefully like really focused on the drone, and I'm in my peripheral. I just see Mel get dummied by a bike out of the blue. See who's here?
What?
Nice car, man. What do you do for a living?
YouTuber.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Are you that famous Ryland guy?
I think so.
Oh my god. Your girlfriend's hot. No.
Wait, what? Happy birthday!
Oh, dude.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. This thing's so shiny.
It's kind of filthy,
I
to be
wonder who
honest.
detailed
It
it.
still looks clean though.
Oh yeah, only the best.
Hell yeah, Russell did it actually.
Fucking guy.
Go right
I know.
beside me.
Hi.
Oh, I know how to park.
Oh, I don't know. Sometimes you don't.
Sometimes not.
Oh, your head's just that big.
Yeah, thanks.
It seems so zoomed in.
Does it smell weird in here? No. Must just be me. How are you?
Tired.
Tired? I am too.
How are you?
Thanks.
Whoever's trusting him. Thanks for messaging.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How long have you had this now?
Like a year and a half. Me and Brad own it together.
That's sweet.
Yeah, Hamid pays for it, and then Brad lets it leak all over his vehicles.
There you go.
He paid for half of it too.
A while. 300s don't do wheelies. He doesn't do a wheelie.
We'll be back. Bye.
Bye.
Late.
Yep.
Sorry, how do we get to the underground though?
There.
Oh.
Hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm just parking though. I think they added more speed bumps in though.
They definitely did.
Goddamn street racers
One
coming
every
in
10
here.
minutes. Not in
10 minutes? Wow,
10,
that's
10 meters. One
10
every
minutes.
10
What world are you in?
minutes.
Must be a different one.
Must be early.
So this video has been all over the place, but now we're at Luxury and Supercar Show, and there's a Bugatti. It should be a good time.
Except for the Bugatti's ugly.
It's not ugly.
It's an ugly Bugatti.
Well, we'll have a debate in the comments. A Bugatti can't be ugly.
You'll see it.
Actually,
and
some
you'll
people
say,
think they're ugly.
And you'll say, that is really ugly. I've seen some beautiful Bugattis, and this one is not beautiful.
You know what's
Just
beautiful?
putting that out there.
You. The viewers.
Oh, fucker.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
Cool.
Were you here at the crack of dawn?
Crack of dawn, 7 a.m. to no. I was
Ready to
here at
go.
like 8:15 because Starbucks lineup took me 10 minutes. But
Hate when that happens.
Right? 150 on the highway after. I mean, one speed limit on the highway after.
Thoughts on the Viper? Seen
I
it
love
before.
The Vipers. Blue one I like better though.
Really? Mm-hmm. You're all wild. Got the music bumping. We got the Rolls Royce here though. Unfortunately, I didn't get the roll in on these two because I was grabbing a smoothie. Got a Lambo here too, but we got the Koenigsegg and a Bugatti. That's insane, but we can't have a video without a cinematic, so we're gonna get that going right now.
Ghostface Player made this hit.